shegu na de tu ho my edo mene woso so say it be piatwa so nindian twa so kutu krane ne asa men kuminga edi yen bremu da mama ya sase kudo atise oh my no oh my no yes and I say oh my for private jet
Mami mau akwaba. Nami na wasipa. Say abbreviation Virgin Television. And I think so Virgin FM Online. ModernGhana.com, IE Live Radio. And a Zeno Radio. Jumedi wa your friend Ago Ghana. Na your book Ghana Puma na Ghana BN. Me a poor room up Putu at the Magana for my. You so eka be about to the way, but what they pass over here who see you. Now, Uncle Kaka said to be an uncle for how many family. 80 and a matnas in my beginning. You are from a park, we see the man. DJ Weissman, a production work near the mammy. Zalim G. They come. Nana Mesa from Panama, another beer. Nana, you're beginning to come up, your program whom is you. As education, the ultimate soon as a pillar. Or maybe a bit near to Pon. But I did back to woman say, no, you want to shape ya and be a baby by. And I tell you, pa, understand me from that point. Free SHS, free senior high school. That's the same, I come here and say, I debate. And this is Frank Tuni John Dramani Mahama so on the device. San NP Aban is also on the device. But they know what the echo of Bugana so there. Nemo no don't care about when they enemy ever share. Sa police Nakasa Yakano.
This is not a peace song. It's
You're in the background.
Sana
Fasudia did break Ghana for nothing. I heard challenges for how do I issue with you. And Komobia Akawich, and I'm a social activist. The team of Bobio Pa, the Siadi Frederick Owusu Yabua. Now the board is MBA, International Management. That's what things we're seeing at the Akon anymore. Maybe the Ghana man correct your manager, man. Timako Frederick Owusu Yabua, Aqua Kudi and come on and guest and anapay. So I go Ghana, Ejumedi. 80 machine, I'm saying you made the open so baswa. 0547286939. 0547286939. Mo send the SMS WhatsApp and I say ofra. Bet me aje wo so ne yetimi share kama kama. Sponsorship na afi so enquiry bi apeso make it. 0547286939. Ebo akwemu adwada de copy me fiada. Ago Ghana jumedi 1 hour program. You din komo e de pe Ghana puntu. Eti bo mo de say obe friend number no. Ana say obe text obe WhatsApp. Na yetimi din komo e de akwachi. Mama corner quickly me komo Mr. Frederick Owusu Yabua akwaba. Na ene ye komo ne ye fa enchance. Yeah, open your cover.
Yeah.
By microphone, man, it's me.
Okay.
Say, if you have a call here.
Now, I don't know.
Yeah, there are yes. Now, and you begin come up at the free senior high school. I deal with Meccas to see a comment AI and Toka. And I see debates. NP before seeing the buy. NDCC near the buy. But who no send your obituary Mama Ghana 40 years. Let me assume baby, Yakofa. It's yes, in the background of the free SHS policy. Say, Yankasana,
Okay.
Okay.
I'm saying free SHS policy, no. A program one. ɛwɔ baabi a ɛstart free yɛ na ɛfan sɛ yɛ former president ɛyɛ Dr. Kwame Nkrumah.
Okay, yeah,
first president. Aha. Utim say the way a na ofa enwoma sua ehyehyɛ eto na koma so no. Ɛma ɔde plan bi bae a ɛfa enwoma sua ho. Na ɔno no deɛ na enye free for all like ne na ehu. Ɔno no started with the northern part of the country.
Okay.
It's now a free secondary education for all the northerners. Good, those in the northern part. Now, Kosovo for some time. Enti, we say also choir no, in a change in leadership, other leaders follow it. Now, almost so a body, and no one be very calm. And then about that on the constitutional requirement of what the free SHS. Because the 1992 of the Ghanaian constitution is stating it clearly. Article 25 clause 1B. Okay. Make Omame Kwaya meeting me akuti. What say Article 25 clause 1B of the 1992 constitution states that secondary education in its different forms, including technical and vocational education, shall be made generally available and accessible to all by every appropriate means. The key word is every appropriate means.
Okay.
Good. And in particular, by the progressive introduction of accessible. Sorry. Can I take that clause?
Yes,
okay. Yeah, Article 25 clause 1B of the 1992 Constitution states that secondary education in its different forms, including technical and vocational education, shall be made generally available and accessible to all by every appropriate means. And in particular, by the progressive introduction of free education.
By the progressive introduction
of free education.
Okay.
That is the constitution now, Maputi. Article 25. And then I had the premise for the introduction of free SHS. And then we know dance here. Now, when they buy, once the constitution almost it will, but now I buy the to me implementing to the letter. Emma Ghana need be out or take the across the length and breadth of the country, in your son faso. In Kuma time, like I said earlier, now a year, one northern part of the country, and not enjoy. Enjoy through Nkrumah period, through Liman period, through Jerry Rawlings, even John Kufuor, President John Ajikun Kufuor, more time, now all these people are enjoying the Northern Territory Free Education Policy, which was introduced by Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Now, NDC also taking over, headed by Professor Ivan Satamilson, almost twice, because now a adepa, almost twice. Almost the end of the buy and also say, I mean, I normally say Mukana, a progressively free secondary education or senior high school. Now, on progressively free, we had the definition for it here. Now, a simple. I say free SHS in your bedroom, Nemuno, Mumayan Kono, Kakra. Okay. Nikakaka na ye kono so no. Ni ye kono a pine benso. Na ye kono say yendi kan hwe infrastructure development. Okay. That is the dormitory, construction of dormitory blocks, staff accommodation, that is bungalows, expansion of classrooms, library, administration block, dining hall, and the likes. It's almost the policy be by a E-block. E-blocks, no. In fact, they promised to put up 200 E-blocks, but they ended up constructing 26. It's almost a system no eba besin ko ema the current president President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ono no ene MPP government no try say ombe shemu kena na free SHS no afi they are entirely free for every Ghanaian, not foreigners but every Ghanaian. Ti Ghana ni ba bia wasu school ko bia no oko school no kran bia e wo secondary school a second cycle e free. Na free na no oka na e wo nyoma bia na ogina so.
Okay.
In a sense, we share enkwala no graduate from BEC, basic education, good JHS leavers na. Na dodo na no enya akwanya enko school no. In the say practice free education na e wo say ye hwe saafo no so. Especially omo ana omu nya kwan access secondary education. We hwe extra tia me wo ha ya.
Okay.
What do you say 2013 me person me kwachiri bibiri me say me fa 2016 down to 2013.
Okay.
We say we figure from Ministry of Education omu data call Ministry of Education
on
website ya data o hono na about the free SHS no. That's enrollment trend in SHS from 2013 to 2016. Now in 2013 na yipa out of the population omo mutro BEC no omo mutro BEC number na omo mutro BEC na 74.3% and na itimi enya access akonya eko school no eko enjoy progressively free no.
Okay.
Now out of this it say 25.7 enya akonya no but ahokeka efasika from no wantimi anya den anto aso.
Okay.
Nti 74.3% no enya akonya no ko school e na omo maka no we omo ma pass you.
Okay.
Nti 25 year then it's not
fee.
And 20
and also mo see ejuma.
Very good. Whatever way you put it.
Okay. They couldn't get access.
Very good.
So that's all.
Very good. They were denied access not because they didn't qualify, but because they didn't have money to pursue their dream.
Okay.
Good. 2014 so no. Almost figure near the same. 70.7% in the access. And 29.3 in access because of Sikasem year.
Okay.
Another year INSU after 2014 was 2015 and also 72.2% in the access. The most of access no, the figure hovers around 100,000. Not more than 150,000.
Okay.
Some money akwanya unko because of Sikasem 27.8%. Okay. 2016, that's the last year after which free SHS program was introduced. It was introduced in 2017.
Okay.
September.
Time
I take over. Now 2016 was 73 and we have more passing around roughly 70% and inya akwanya.
Okay.
So I say ediko. Enti omo panyin we no option no. See practice free SHS. Na say Ghana ni ba bia ntimi anya akwanya na ko bi bia. Na ne na ya anya kwa nka in a sense say it was say free for all.
Okay.
Now September 2017 oko visited West African Senior High School.
Okay.
And now then oko making mention of the free SHS. So so be introduced. Good. Now ultimately buy.
Okay.
Now or the buy so Emma Ghana for so ya omo e benefit here. Omo say the program has indeed been introduced.
Okay.
Now share free SHS now they buy now. Unlike the previous ones now, past administration implemented progressively free and now cocoa board so almost scholarship one or the back and also for brilliant but needy students and I think I cocoa for no but to be him and penny for our mundo cocoa go food and now on my head a benefit and all these things no ever be true when I read about bed it be see now back I as our program we know o man penny the two say obey implement but now a minimum engine because now share the cost involved now is so huge over 2 billion cedis Ghana cedis no be say obenya scan wo he no so no on it na pam for again a cost bia na almost estimate this is how they are going to this is the amount of money
they are going to pump into it.
Now ocean in futures need be so and it's government need provide infrastructure. It be buildings, furniture.
I know yeah for the start before the start
for the start no. In fact now infrastructure product can say construction there now cost but now and massively like we are seeing after its implementation. It's almost started in 2017 admission by number the usual number 100,000 more not more than 200,000 they buy good then there's 4 years na fi enrollment na yɛ den increase because afei deɛ nipa na gya tum sɛ ɛyɛ free to hwɛ another data me wɔ no so 2017 361,771
Omunya admission
form 1 and 2018 so no 472,730 and omunya account to hwe one say and every year bi no na number na increase
say 17 18 19
and na pioneers na ewie 20 good enti so can me the background of
the free
SHS now met me can say senka you be jai the politics of it na ya welcome policy now nke be boa obia because only me be adwen say nkofo bi wo ho a ye nom ko school but because of
financial constraints
very good omo parents entimi anye den amo musa akwanya amo mo ankwanko asese free SHS program
okay
now share recent resource buy and performance any hu buhaha ibi se o ma anya ade ibi se o ma ya ade me no wo share comparatively no the performance is not bad because number na in previous years no a shoot year so astronomically but God being so good no percentage pass no encouraging we share me figures here but put it together from West African Examination Council website here we found the 4 core subjects
the microphone
we found the 4 core subjects now English language 2019 me comparative analysis between 2019 and 2020 now English language 48.96% and I pass here against and 2019 and 2020 also 57.34%.
48-57 crap.
Almost 9% percentage change, which is positive. Good. Mathematics 65.37% against that is 2019 against 65.71% 2020.
I said when
you should took but just a percentage change, though it is positive.
And
more one but yeah because numerical wise
okay number was
very good
as compared to 2019
very good and then you look at integrated science 63.17% 2019
okay
and now 52.53% 2020 that's in integrated science and now conform there was a decline but in sharp
okay
yes sharp sir but there was still a decline and now okay social studies also and also there was a slight change
okay
inversely
okay that means 2019 was better than
2020 but in all no you can say or I can say free SHS and produce bad graduates say a minimum canon I say I'm quality I compromise
now before I get to answer now when they say they could be able to bring out such results now
oh
look
yes
at the circumstances the stories around the whole policy
now in fact now may need that believe 100%
okay
because
now
yeah not doubt in the no credit okay but results no na I say book no lie so what I say don't go through so performance na omo dia betu dwa no na betimi ai den no mi betimi
and look at the outcome
I speak it to it you know though adwuma kakra wo inter-science and then social but let me say only be adwin say o pursue tertiary education inter-science social studies
for the non-science students
interchange
so
for the non-science students
yes you can replace social studies
with science or is it
the opposite science
with social studies good now science students also almost the inter-science it you know one kwa na akwa yes though but I think say going forward we have to do something about it
okay so we want to first batch
near one near English no ne mass na akoyi no I think say and that's all and that's all nyansan na shemu kena e betimi agina
okay many Mr. Frederick Uzu Yeboa ana edin komo and other people are Ghana. So if you free SHS policy and somewhat EPMBA. CB or and I believe say sure we're going to be no winner. It's the cost of the or Virgin Television so after Virgin One TV GH Facebook and after we call Instagram YouTube and Virgin One TV GH. Facebook or no like it, no comment it, no share near me anymore. Number of me edit messages and fast waba. For inquiry, sponsorship, any placement on the show, 0547286939. 0547286939. Mama kwa niyo kwa so won komo aye di emu. Now we can benefits. That's what she says over benefits. Yanke enfasodie a free SHS e diaba.
Okay, me da say. Enfasodie de bebre one ayi the cost element free second cycle education okay unlike first you school and your school fees so one year what they car 50 Ghana and they car 20 Ghana 10 Ghana coffee your man years and you said the night free and two the free textbooks we can free textbooks so I mean the core subjects elective subjects in there parents na be provide them or money. Okay. We mean benefit need be. As also the free boarding facilities I then aba because that cost elements now everything is free. Science center the usage are free.
Science facility fees or something.
Yeah, no near desk user textbook user fee your utility we mean utility so here for admission fee free library books you can have access to the school library obe here you cap there tuition afiri hɔ enti wohwɛ enyoma free SHS no dia ba nse ba di kama ka say e wo se menumi me ye sa program na 2 awa 2
okay
because indirectly no e diska e beba begu o pocket e ye parent bia ne ba e wo school no secondary school and senior high school or technical school no e di skaba begu ni pocket because we share cost wise ya you need to pay we have first class schools in the first class schools like Achimota, the Presec, Wesley Girls, Peters and the rest. They charge the admission fee for the first year students. It be charging between 2,000 3,000 Ghana cedis. It is a nano free SHS na year free. But you say who size scanner now who per plot to be out of ultimate. Who waiting out? Now say going forward, you know. The subsequent years, second year, or so be fees there 2,000 and 1,000 Ghana cedis here. So, sales scam, because I coin, is it going to government? No. It will individual and anything, or pocket. But I say, who say Ghana for the guy, you know, Ghana for. Say, one first Ghana machine, so say,
Tell you about Comobisia. How they put your fees. And the fees you are. What shows this kind of
very good. It's just a one miska. But the real say one could yes gaman in Bananco school. I am Pamone Ban. Okay. Tell me what say Thomas Amwani of Adesso Presby Senior High School. Okay. So what is the good story?
Oh, story no. Yeah.
It's a very emotional. A very emotional. I share video no online. Social media, and I'm a rapper. What's your boy in the background? Now, one who said, but for grace, 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 Yankupon Abdon, and now the modern more, because the modern one also like grace in the bar and the modern one there, but then the money access a free SHS policy because my parents virtually were down to zero who need scar. Which ye interview nuclear course na dia dia. Which him say sika yen den eni ho. Nti ka boy ni de na ka said we water flache ado an obedo no aye den. O de abon bra. And a free SHS near den. E bam. Okay. And all of a sudden boy na timi aye den. Akọ school. Akọ we na understand say school mo no no. Ono ni pa o topic that year group.
So we are 8 years there. Automatically one out of it.
Only automatically one out of people say but this time around this one school brush it in my I understand say my
oh but maybe person to say only a bit put in 8 years say I don't know the ultimate now 8 years
yes
it's any day or come out of you
oh yes I know there
so you don't kwa one dey bi mu
you need 9 years or
you need 9 years or
to be na 7 years yeah
I was it's when they will do maximum. But climax,
baby, beer, you will be more simple.
Baby, until on the end, Wayadi. Now, I bought a bit now with small bomb and penny abasso. Okay. Oh, sir, scholarship while the man said, Uncle UK. Minister night or say a gun apple, one son also pay the bone apple, but Utimso and penny in his own wisdom. So, almost a benefit, you know, at least. So, Omanico UK, yeah, post to near Pianica, at least Obina, the big class, Ashen, within the 4-year period. Say, and look around, say after 4 years, no, the more the body veterans obey masters at Waswa. Very good. Now, if you want the more the veterans will be PhD at Waswa. Say, you know, the ball is in his court.
This Thomas is blessed. Okay. Now, but for free SHS, who is Thomas? Okay. And then I can say, me wow, be cassette free SHS. Now me as someone said it, men can't show. Because says Kawi say young farm free SHS ya, and I understand say a oil process and a government in the SRD. That's for this. Good. So I'm farm financing free SHS program, and ka bisa say the beba begu salary so ana na say ye be frame say ya bodaru say mo na meje schedule konko dia
say what you want
good and so I make this I say why are people yearning for the payment of fees when indeed government is providing you with free
I don't know if you person with you
out argument now people out here from political divide I don't know whether anye or no implement you say then you but now idea ye good there
na good
say the two be down so kwa say ka say ye good kwa na ka say good ni nkum because it can say you pack no clear then no question then ba ko pe
okay yeah challenges ya ka benefits na eno dey e ba beti ase yeah your how I work for SHS
un say free SHS no nipa ho adwuma ye na nipa ho adwuma bia so no ohaw ne amanye kakra ye ewu mintimi entra han kase free SHS because I like the program and it is helping the nation to boost the literacy rate level no mintimi na so men kase challenges bia an shede na challenges e wo mu no between who say with time no you betimi I get rid of it
okay
it be facilities now share infrastructural facility like bungalows for staff and then classroom expansion, dining hall, library, dormitory, assembly hall and those kind of things now only a challenge kakra but I buy na so because of the number na na bana money at the double track system they buy now ama aban no so embarking on massive infrastructural development in the various we have over 700 public senior high school I think 736 or so government uko everywhere government omo first class omo also enya omo fair share of the infrastructural development I be a classroom expansion dormitories bungalows education administration so I say St. Augustine's Munina Augustine's College Munina they have gotten their fair share and the less endowed schools no so almost nya omo there enti me hu ni say challenges no there the government is taking steps to address them one by one and I know say with time no we shall get there because say program we are ma look at the number figures I'm calling look at the number enka omo ebe denied of the secondary education and you ask yourself say are these people where are they in fact going had they not been free SHS and in omo aba school they get themselves educated now omo timidia kwakobo omo bla enka omo be ede eduma pan enka omba be are they not going to add up to the armed robbery cases we have in the system the social vices you name it prostitution armed robbery gambling and then in corner back so I say all these people who have joined sa ekuna mebobodin so though the challenges no e wo ho let us start at least they say a journey of 1,000 miles no begin with what a step and I know we shall get there and teachers too have their own problem when it comes to the free SHS and yes say omon per program I have gotten the opportunity to interact with a number of teachers almost say a very good policy now omu ina omu welcome so bibi kakra o say government no ehwe na ye fa ho na o bibi ti say almost remuneration no at least the government should cushion it because free SHS na ba be yi nyoma bi a na ka ma teachers no so etimi eye enya adodode kakra bi omo dada omo say extra classes abi ye fro and then that though the government is doing well to give teachers intervention but I don't think say it's enough for the teachers
and them so regular
the challenges need there we hwem dia the benefits outweigh the challenges that is it
and we are praying say in the course of time we yakwa enim no ni me be pija ama policies say you can aba be da ho mo be fan ama Ghana for nyina ni etimi agye yeah trust near share the implication and the conclusion on free SHS policy no.
Okay. On say you see it has come to stay. So people and to wash election 20 a few election the campaign so utia those are the political divide. One say NDC as free SHS no introduce here. But maybe they
also
trendy pan and a press conference upon press conference. We have a counter MPP before so abe almost there at the counter as we but maybe they me say enka enye adwobrel because said you ta fracture akwarakwa nim say free SHS there nana adodan kwa Akufo-Addo any MPP government they be introduce here NDC introduce progressively free second cycle education.
Okay. I say make I say free free ana.
Oh free they free.
Sounds now and progressive. But free they say free. And now progressive need any immunity.
Progressive no. So I say a UGCC for a motor no and CPP
within the shortest possible time.
And a CPP name come as now. So that is self-government within the shortest possible time, a progressively free SHS. And now self-government now, a free SHS.
Okay.
It's you have to decide for yourself.
It's the analogy, no.
Good. A honor problem now because and at the end of the day, I have do na person omodo omo ye den. But me dey any problem about that. So omo nyai ja tomorrow. We reach say Ghana ya group ba bia you betimi akoya ni.
Okay.
Say your two main political party, one the Fourth Republic no, NDC MPP and na omo koso govern oman no.
Okay.
It is omo nyina dia to see free SHS ni ye good thing dia. Na o see ye nyina.
That's what be aso na dey buy dia.
Very good. I was Ghana ni bia ko na sorry ana okoda o so bompa ye da nyame ase pa.
Okay.
Ese party si mi no aye ajatum say you want me not here pro for the next foreseeable future NDC MPP never govern.
Oh sir.
Oh yes.
I
don't know if there is a third force.
Sir, Ghana Union movement.
Goom.
Aye.
So for which abosom. Aye. Telling of the friend. So for which abosom. Okay. Also the other no. But who say how obefa
what the own say goom let me
me mo with there I'm feel say me started to aba enye easy who's na ke third force no na you CPP no mo be say 3 parliamentary seats bi
ana
if you am sem won the free am sem no all of a sudden no PPP 2012 Omba be take over from CPP ebe third force
anomonso
they say third force one there a competition or papa I didn't know
but and first the second boom but
third one and I'm not surprised because when you go to developed countries anywhere you go
I say
two party system oko America you Republicans and the Democrats oko UK you say Labour and then the Conservative. Oba Ghana also are NDC, MPP. And you can you name it. Oko country we are could be an. We are blessed because policy makers, no. So we are looking at the policy implication and then you zero in on conclusion. One say increasingly no obia or a potential policy maker. And when I say potential policy maker, omo call for election, no mean policy makers. Okay. Me no mean no any policy makers. Because you copy to me bia. Okay. So omo play to me see emfa amamu ni show omo san. Omo nyina age atum say program no ye good program. Okay. Ebeboa. It no no fine tuning the program. Say if omo be I don't know if I can jump to recommendations there.
Oh yeah, everyone's there for recommendation.
Oh okay. In general, no, me only say policy makers are ready to add 1 or 2 to it.
Okay.
To better the lot of the program. It's we say a welcome and good for the entire program.
Okay.
I also allow more to me a bomb no much there or my but so be here free or crowd here. Media.
You don't
Me no, I will advise my fellow Ghanaians to vote against any political party that comes to power and then cancel free SHS policy. I will advise or mismanage it.
Let's use the word mismanage too.
Okay.
Because say Obana were in chum, and as a baby to sooner were in chum, now or mismanaging her. Yeah, I cry by person can if you walk on here.
Very good. Very good.
Kind of sanka.
Okay. So whoever or mismanaging, I think say I will say Ghanaian electorate no, a show no exit. If you because only papa.
Okay. Many Mr. Frederick Usu Yabua, Anna Edin Komo, and Anna Pewa Ghana so. Send him the cake, maybe where Joada Economy Fiada. And Pano song Ecopium no watching. Nay, Din Comodia for my Ghana, Angle Bia, if Coso Elbow. 8 years, the another person of Bedmedi so. Oye Amanuku, and Asa Kasama Amanukubi, where communicator. We are parliamentary candidates, we are member of parliament, DC, MC, and I am founder of a party. And now we are assembly member, and I say opinion leader do Krubiso, and Punto Nieshe, and some day addition and Yeshe. But what is over for 0547 286 0547 286 Enquiry, any sponsorship be answered. Number now is 0547 28 69 39. Jumedi need Abu Ghana. Your friend Papa see the manch. Then many friends who see a boy needing come out here, social activist. The medical can say with MBA in international management. It's opening and Melina Bon come for free senior high school. Jumedi no home. Na you go so akwenu. Ya kika ko ne dia kwa kwi. Na mame ko sese ya ka bebre. What church ni me mpa yedi nkomo. I believe say Ghana for Virgin TV, any Virgin One TV, GH, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, ATA Virgin FM online, or modernghana.com, Zeno Radio, IE Live Radio, Media Dance, say yes, she and ye. Now, yes, you are doing through the ano. Offer number to join and I say, what test it was a paper, you bet me after Naya Factor, Naya, Media Abu Ghana, Abaye program of the people. The man called Mr. Frederick Usu Yabua on that film. You could be. As I say, no. One has a recommendation and say
a bad recommendation just a share and your man it's me
bet me I near the abwa they improve upon the program.
Very good. We say policy na kasano misika asem no ejina the petroleum the value added tax put on the petroleum revenue.
Okay.
And the day we see in eba and in fact process na inya petroleum in the oil na you too. It's a bit me since no one is paying for it, government increase value added tax on the petroleum products. Na it means can and fan share at the mukena free SHS mukena.
Okay.
Now two infrastructural development though it's ongoing, but yen speeding it up. Na intimimwa yempejam ni intimimwa na intimi yisa temporary double track system if you because what our government anticipates say by next year or so double track in fact afibia no nyan ko ahead then we year fuel but opese where then we fuel now betime year fuel also it is when why adequate infrastructure dormitories and con bana you can boss no if you want to know a buying speedy up on happen again no we casting your oil and yet but on money 9 months more room for improvement na fe so no teacher motivation no so no yen revising no na teacher for no so a eye adwuma no omonte de because say akola e pass a on teacher ni bi adin o
no dey say awo watching say aka Akaho.
Na normal there.
Oh, I know normal.
Must you accept
Debbie.
Very good.
But I said it has come to stay.
Good.
Son, I'm the make I don't know.
You say teacher for I
heaven.
And I'm madam free as that Fred now say teacher you know when me uncle heaven now just say more ben when you and then the next one I'm person me can parents are almost face on meeting me tria on my why you know parents in you they can finance
they can pay they can even pay for
manual education at the second cycle level.
Okay.
It's those who think they can pay, they should be made to pay. Hani omo betimi akweti account.
Okay.
Now omo publish account details. Any account name, ne account number, ni bibia branch ni bibia. Now omo dey aba the dailies, the media, the radio, TV, Virgin TV. Aban betimi bibia den aba. The parents bi wo a office so me dey me school fees betimi school fees betimi atwa. We should welcome it.
Okay.
Now, Emma Abani and Emma Hinheim because Bibiana Ekubu Abani Susana, tax na be obeying see. Not what they island. I just can free now, yet the Arani program.
Okay. It's now Mr. Frederick who see a boy and a so I'm in the commander. Yeah, the commander of the Navy, my child Homra. Now, for me back, now your baby in the cracker, and then I'm a pay Abu Ghana,
Yanara assassini, airport in my eye, Mojana nanum shegu nade to ho my eye. Edumene was so say a pay piatwaso, Nindian twaso, go to cranin, Bessamin coming out, any aim bremu, the mamaya sassy food or what to say. Oh my no, oh my no, I guess I hose, oh my full private jet. Oh my no, I guess I hose, oh my full private jet.
Here we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, we get a tiny boy. What would near hey, Bonnie done a fay hey. Many may find the hikati and many won't pay. Malabahi can you find the Bajamin Cabo? Why you local ninja lava where me capable? I promise on my own, I'm working Taya near Shona. Ling off a Bina Sana, Libukuna no Shona.
Yawaena, Jumanchi Afiko May, Koan Kabila Capito, Zahida Kai. Banda bumbanci, Mudena zalunci, Ubangijin Allah wai ma, zumunci ya fi komai. Annan Muhammad wai ma, zumunci ya fi komai. Iyayenmu wai ma, zumunci ya fi komai. Zumunci ya fi komai.
See, this is not a peace song, it's a love song. Peace and Ghana getting married, keep the love strong. See, a peace we cannot risk. War at home is like cardiac arrest, cause home is where the heart is. Let the trumpets sound victory. The battle that we won is a battle for a peace. We promise on the honor that we'll never fight again, cause Ghana is a happy place of joy we should defend.
Get up, what's up, motherland? I don't feel like Obidi and Afia. I'm in love with you now. Tamajiba Majihada Mabiatawa was a young will a dodgy love from Dakachale. How? From the big six, you still to fix things. Mawa Hamakafu was Chicago reaches.
If they won't make it be, somebody for fight, we they need one a piece. And come boom, is it with if we the protect.
Enu ti na yakwa akotwa en ho e de aba na eguso a ye tie recommendation efi Mr. Frederick Owusu Yebo a na ndi nkomo eho ana me kotwa ne ho e ba yi na obawie kra no the person of the double track and once a car, if you chip. As I say, you have a double track once a month more. Okay, I can free teachers crank and it's in double track. What have you got to say about the double track?
Oh, okay. Double track system, understand? I did be a stopgap measure. I said, problem very good. Problem no, a trinity and quickly now implementers, and I say policy makers. Buy because now I bet 200,000 and they graduated from BEC or multi access to second cycle, no more access through SHS. And now because now there's no fees, the cost components, the year fees in our system, it's a number I shoot it up suddenly. Now, how do you solve the problem? Do you ask Omo enya ebia I get 6 to say 36 epene nkwa na and answer you get 6 to I get 20. Now whatever way I will go by bia also who say obe marginalize enkwala ni bia omo wie senior high and technical and vocational TVET. Now double track system no e buy because of number na issue here. It's yes no ma omo ntafie to see a basic structures every se me no mienu ye time na o see e go school no se kan yan fa nko e na yeso afum yen den yen ntafie na yen twen ko see say maybe 10 years or 15 years. Now who even knows say in 20 years time na you see structures bia ye pesi esi awi ni enwie ye it's no I say you carry the people along the line. Tell you, a biasipla na obesua ade na at the end of the day no when you access to secondary education na ye fine tune system no baby ekoyi baby enkoyi ni ye hoyi infrastructure or see dormitories in the ba no bungalows for teachers any classroom blocks this animal ni ye they count say aban or the abai e shemu kenano ontimi shemu kena nwiansa na enipa na omo ba school na ye den aba se ye ka so shemu kena nwie ansa na ekofo na ba school a ebe hadwen.
Okay,
a lot of people will be denied free it will be denied secondary education. Now sir double track no so no omo thinking through ehun say enye Ghana kwa the first country a we be.
okay,
O say US mu na omo deputy minister of education Dr. Yawa Dutum or US trained educationist. Our old school need to idea. I implemented double track system or go track, green track. Ama almost solve almost problem. It's a idea, and even the developed countries they don't have what we call free SHS. Only free education. Free senior high. I understand say Kenya for almost person ba besua e free Ghana. How almost running free SHS no because omu nyina hu say ade no e ya ade pa. It's double track ne there. Enya de bia e hagwen. Okay. Mu a increase contact hours but and also increase holidays. Period for vacation. Akoso because they say na akoye semester program instead of terminal. So I say terminal na kay 3 months. Now we got 3 months I break for maybe 2 weeks. I do long vacation which is
a month and 2 weeks.
A month and 2 weeks. Visa. But you see na akoye ya chemu we try 2 semesters. We try 4 months ya. Now I progress be 2 to 4 months. Nafi what's about the another 4 months. So na need a bia so no who travel there no be tifie try the holidays. Okay. And throughout the 12 months or the 12 months all year round schooling. Obi an schooling and na hopa. Unlike first year ma kwan ma schooling that one e ba ne emu abontutu ne emu afufu. No say there.
Baby on ka be kona ponchi ne adi nyina.
Very good. And
the school them.
Okay, you can say nipa na students na benefit na omo kwotena fie a bi hu ni say e wo say awofo no so enya asodi bi because obetena fie for 2 months or 3 months na say wo ka say uja ne saa dia e be ha at least obetimi apɛ bibi kakra ma na ayɛ say apprenticeship bi kwa na obesua One
say na mdudu wo yi ensen kwan si wutimi ye bibi ka school na wo kono mo
bia na oye science oye general science or SS and now oye business or SS or visual art or SS of ma kwan e be twa sa 3 months holidays na obetimi apɛ apprenticeship bi ayɛ den aka no home econs e so wi kwa na obetimi na seamstresses ne tailoring shows be obetimi akwa assess the practical aspects na obe school a theory no it won't only SHS no plan wa build obe o one in sound adwuma e ka ne academic certificate no it ni na no ye recommendation ne nyoma e betimi afa e aka ho ama aboa system
okay eti Mr. Frederick Owusu yeboa ele yedi nkomo pa e wo agoga na dwumadi so
me namfofo
okay
ene abusuafo omo hwen okay me ame maami Janet mafo okay onkoko Holy Family echi ho na ote na eye me namfofo me madam from senior man Frederick Owusu cancer okay no also onkoko MPP first second vice chair sorry ene omo adofo a omo hwe na o ma na kwanya azumi mu godi na
oh yeah with the long list
na de chiso an na san kwanya
se ma de no amu de je no
wakabu okay adofo ehwe nyina me chia obibia
okay
na me hyem bo se election ya ebeba enne na otwe no obia be mana ya sudwi na Ghana de ya ablabo no nyina ba election a ayese aponchi ntokwa no ompeja akoso aso ombe kunkum omo no so no na abafo mboko ade holiday no den ya ba ku berusu ama ba ko wi nko ye ujam sire because a lot of money go to sa campaign period we na no berusu so no ever come apa on find the concession speech and la on time I mean charge the electoral commission me nya ne say within 24 hours obey declare
yes did be any
acha
8 from Adelaide
enkonko ya America bi India almost almost a month aye bibi e wo hoyi e wa lusu de wo lusu wa lusu ba now on pese obeba bonti aba be ja tum
all right
ya da mu nyina ase na mu fan pipe bon enter electoral commission echi because adwuma na da obuso na o twa
eti Mr. Frederick Owusu yeboa ana no be kan from park we see the match agoga na edwumadi ni enkomo bi we chi bia no fra na o kese number na yibedi ato aso mama na de ka asena me na me sabrampa ma be na do bia Zylem GH afi DJ Wiseman omnyinati mi boampa me edwumadi ba so nyame adoma ochina enso ye besen ehia edwumadi so nyakopon kan ho
Yanara assassini ea bodin in my eye Mojana na num shegu nade tu ho my eye Edu mene woso so say it be piatwa so Nindian twa so kutu krani nya Esa min kuminga Edi yen bremu da mama ya sasi kudo ati se Oh my no Oh my no yes and I hose on my full private jet Oh my no yes and I hose on my full private jet
Here we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, we get a tiny. Bo, Boniya hey, Boni Dane fe hey. Many me fende he kati, many won't pay. Male bahi can you feel it? Baja make a bow. Why you look on India lava where me take a bow. I promise on my own, I'm both tired near me shona. Ling off a bina sana, Libukuna no shona.
Yamaena, Jumanchi Afiko May, Koan Kabila Capito, Zahida Kai, Banda Bumbanchi, bambanci mu daina zalunci Ubangijin Allah wai ma zumunci ya fi komai annan Muhammad wai ma zumunci ya fi komai iyayenmu wai ma zumunci ya fi komai zumunci ya fi komai
See, this is not a peace song, it's a love song. Peace and Ghana getting married, keep the love strong. See, a peace we cannot risk. War at home is like cardiac arrest, cause home is where the heart is. Let the trumpets sound victory. The battle that we won is a battle for a peace. We promise on an honor that we'll never fight again, cause Ghana is a happy place, a joy we should defend.
Machoto pare bona ye madogo medeliwa Agrone bana no nyinya wule ni tijekwa Get up, what's up motherland? I don't feel like Obidi and Afia. I'm in love with you now. Tamajiba majihada mabiatawa wasanya wile doji lafu from Daka Chale how? From the big six, you still to fix things. Mawa hamakafu wa Chicago reaches.
If you the one make it be, somebody for fight we they need one a piece. Hey, and come boom, hey, is it with